Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to apply some ifs formula in Excel. So in the video in which I explained how to apply some if function. Uh, there was an option to apply only one criteria and select only one range, but in some ifs formula we will be able to apply more than one criteria and select more than one range. So here I have an data in which I have some name and their region and state and sales. So if I want to know the sales of north and state Karnataka, I will not be counting it by one, two, three, not like this. I will be counting it or adding it by using some if formula. So to apply some if formula, we will do is equal to sum ifs. Tab. Now sum range. Select the range from which you want to know the sum, comma, criteria 1. Criteria 1 will be region, comma, sorry, criteria, the last one which we selected was criteria range 1, and the now we will be selecting criteria 1. Select north, and now it is asking us to apply criteria range 2. Select the state range, comma, criteria 2. I want to know the sales of Karnataka, and braces close. Enter. So as you can see that it gives us the sales of Karn- uh, Karnataka North region, and it does not count the one. It does not count the ones which have which have region north, but north the same with as north, and here we have Himalaya. So it will count the only it will count the only it will count the only criteria that what will you ask to do it, and we can also add as many criteria and as many criteria ranges as we want, as uh, uh, Karnataka. Now if I want to add one more criteria, I will select uh, criteria range 3, comma. Now in this data I have applied the name only once. So if you have applied a name one or more times, you can apply this, but in I have not that type of data. So I want to know this one. Okay, now braces close. Enter. So as you can see that it only has 54,000. So Rupali from north region, state Karnataka, has a sales of 54,000. So that's it for this video, guys. I will be back with another video soon, and please do like this video and and share this video, as it motivates me a lot to make more videos like this. Thank you.